Hey there, YouTube. How you doing? Kid Zippo here, out at the range finally. Little function test on this beauty. I also brought something else that everybody's been asking to see how it runs. Got my target here about 25 yards. Oh, what's that? Wow. Feeding rounds all over the place. Fired one and popped out three. So let's try this again. Set that down. Nice and easy so you don't scratch it. Put a lot of work into that. Okay. Another failure to feed. And again, failure to feed. That's not good on the first mag. Take that 10-rounder and try it. Although accuracy's not bad. Is it me? Am I limp wristing this or what? Alright, let's bear down on it. Nope. I'm gonna have to watch this video when I get home to see what's going on. There's only one thing else I can try here. I'm gonna load up my empty mag with some different ammunition. Because maybe this federal target stuff isn't cycling the way it should. So, I've got some Sig Sauer, 200 grain jacketed hollow points. Alright, she's clear. Get up there. There you go. See how she runs with this stuff. Now, I was wondering about the recoil spring in this. We'll have to find out. Because if it's just a matter of having to get it broke in, there's 7 rounds there. That's good, right? Huh. Maybe it just doesn't like these mags. It didn't even want to take it out of the try it again. Yep. Last time, then we're going to go to what else I brought out today. Jammed. Empty. Yep. I think I'm going to have to find some 7-rounders for this. Oh. That's too bad. I was hoping I wouldn't have to, but, you know, it's the way it goes. So, I'll dump these quick and move on. So, I got another request last night to see how this ran. So I'm going to show y'all. After I put this away. Really like these old poker chip boxes. Got one for my 44 Magnum and one for that one. Here it is. That's my 7.62 by 3.9 AR pistol. Bear Creek Arsenal upper, Palmetto State lower. See how she runs. 10-round C products. Steel. Safety's off. See how close to being sighted in this thing is. Must be more in there. No. Empty. I'm gonna do a 20-rounder this time. There you have it. Yeah. There it is. Off. All right. Let's go take a look at our target. See if it says. Clear? That's not too bad. I know I was jerking everything, but at least I got one in the center. And almost everything I put down here, except these two. A couple up here. That's 45, that's 45. You can tell by the size of the holes. So yeah, now that you know how she runs, thanks for all your comments. I appreciate it. Get that out of my face. All right, Kid Zippo. Have a good day. Stay healthy. Follow your COVID procedures. And remember, pick up your brass.